Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can customize the WooCommerce product page. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, then open your product page using Elementor or your theme builder. Once it's open, you can edit product details like the title, price, and images by dragging and dropping widgets. You can also add extra sections such as a size chart, trust badges, or facts to make your product page look more professional. If your theme supports it, go to Appearance, then Customize, and open the WooCommerce product page section. Here you can adjust layouts, gallery styles, colors, and typography. For more control, install a plugin like WooCommerce Customizer or Product Text to create advanced designs. Once you're done, click Update and refresh your page to see the changes live. And that's it now, you know how to customize your WooCommerce product page easily and make it stand out. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.